I report to QC engineer. बोलो सब मिलके. Number 1. Number 2. I have to review or I have to review such as ITP, MT. बताया कि नहीं बताया? I have to review. या बोल सकते हैं I was reviewing all documents. ITP method statement prior inspection. हम इसके मतलब क्या हुआ? बोलो जो लिखा बोलो, नहीं आएगा जबान पे ऐसे. या सिंपल बोलो I arranged या I arranged है ना, या I manage 1, 2, 3 before inspection. Before inspection I will review what? ITP, MTC, method statement, specification, prior inspection. Prior, you understand what is the meaning of prior? पहले, before. क्या हो गया सबसे पहले काम? I report to QC engineer. I have to review all associated documents such as ITP, MT, drawing inspect, prior inspection. Number how? I did material inspection such as cable, tray. लेकिन अपनी स्पीच को बढ़ाने के लिए आप उसमें जोड़ दो एक्टिविटीज का नाम, आपका नंबर बन गया. आप एक भी नहीं बोलोगे, आपका नंबर 100 में 100 कम हो गया. जोड़ दिया, ये नंबर बन गया. क्या हुआ? I did material inspection such as conduit, glands, junction box, switch gear, motors, okay, instruments. नहीं पाओगे तो आप उतनी कामयाबी से पीछे रह जाओगे. बोलो गलत सही जबान पे चढ़ाओ. क्या हो गया? I was doing material inspection. Okay, good. Energy now. Valve. Yes. Use करो सबसे पहला आसन वर्ड. I report to QC engineer. स्ट्रक्चर होता है, डायरेक्शन होता है, कहीं भी काम करते हैं. Okay. Then
I report to QC engineer first. Then I have to review all associated documents such as ITP, method statement, drawing.
Okay. In material inspection, what documents you require? Material inspection. You mentioned that I did material. What documents you require? Drawing. Basic document बोलो. मैंने बार बोला. Basic document सबसे कम purchase order, sometimes on the base of drawing. Use both words. Purchase order, drawing. Okay. When you inspect the material, you found okay. What are the documents you will prepare? शर्माने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं आपका दुश्मन नहीं हूँ. इंसल्ट नहीं हो रहा है. ये इंसल्ट नहीं है, ये करेक्शन है. आपकी गलती को सही करना इज ए करेक्शन. बोलो जल्दी यार. नहीं पढ़ा? MRIR नहीं बनाना तो फिर MRIR में बताया. मैंने बोला सबसे पहले एक सेंटेंस इतना जरूर बोलो. I was या I am reporting to QA engineer. Then you start your main role. बोलना चाहिए. रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो तो बताओ. आ गया. Next activity is what you are doing as an inspector. You have mentioned that I was doing cable tray installation. I was doing.
Okay. Is that inspection? Before the material inspection, 4 documents needed. ITP, tube method, specification, and then after. material is okay. I will, before the inspection, first of all, I reported to QC engineer.
Before starting any interview, you should address first that I was reporting to this engineer, Mr. John, for day-to-day work. And my duties and responsibility as follow. I was doing material inspection, I was doing erection installation inspection, and I was doing also some witness for testing. Material inspections, any inspection, before starting my work, it was my duty and it is my responsibility to make sure the required documents are available. For any inspection or prior inspection, the following is the basic documents in order to do the inspection: grade, class, quantity. Okay. So I was doing the inspection as per PO. Then there is the next stage of installation inspection. What inspection you have done? Can you brief me? What are the activities?
Installation material will not.
Now you have to inspect the visual, dimensional inspection, installation inspections. Okay, you have been given a chance through your QC engineer. What activities you are looking for?
As per drawing, according to
I was doing the cable installation termination inspection. I was doing junction box installation inspection. I was doing cable tray installation inspection. Okay, you have done cable tray installation. Why expansion joint is required? Or after how
when you get 25 meters
straight length of the tray, expansion joint is needed. Okay. In cable tray, what you are inspecting, how you are doing, what documents you require. Please listen carefully, especially electrical inspector. You will not get chance. I am telling you, these are the things they will ask you in interview. This is the thing, no other than this. If you talk, you understand, you will be the first inspector, which is the cable tray for cable laying. Correct? For cable laying, what documents you require? Or any engineers for cable laying, what documents they needed? Cable schedule. Cable schedule. Cable schedule will tell you. केबल शेड्यूल नहीं पढ़ाया तो बोलते क्यों नहीं आप? नहीं बोलोगे तो नहीं आएगा. This is the interview session. Documents you require. Which documents you require? Wiring diagram, schematic diagram, which will tell you schematic diagram which circuit. Number 1, you need this diagram, this cable. Core number 1 to be terminal number 1. Core number 2, terminal number 2. This will be given on the schematic drawing. Or you can say wiring diagram. Termination से पहले केबल वेयरिंग कर देंगे. Cable scheduling, what you will do? Low voltage cable, how much you will apply? 500 volts you will apply. And then what will be there? Red to yellow. Drawing. ये भी installation में location, general arrangement drawing, है या equipment layout drawing, है ना? उसमें आपको देखना है फिर installation delimitation है कि नहीं, support rigid है कि नहीं, job description. In short, please.
My name is Mohammad Shariq. I have dual experience in petroleum. I work in HP Petrol Gas. Such as my work is such as like without purchase order, I can't understand what materials are ordered and like that. So purchase orders.
If your material arrived as per PO, but there is a shortage of material or discrepancy in material, what document you are using?
NCMR.
NCMR. Good. What stand for NCMR? Non-conformance of material report, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are raising non-conformance of material. Why?
because PO show match.
So material you will keep in hold and quarantine areas,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Once material is okay, then what are the documents to be generated?
Confirming course.
What is MRIR?
Yes, and material receiving inspection report.
Okay. Material review inspection report you will generate and then you will release the material because
Yes,
material
because
is
or-
already
Yes,
accepted.
accepted.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. During fabrication and welding, what are the documents you require?
Dimensions and
Okay.
drawing. ITP sir, and vendor qualification
Okay. Welder qualification, why it's required?
because how I know vendors are experienced or not, and materials is very costly. So
Okay. WPS and welder qualification, which section is guiding to qualify?
As section 9 for yes sir.
What about the NDT? Which section?
NDT as section 5 for
And what section required for process piping?
B31 required process piping.
B30. Which section is required?
Yes sir. B31 16.5.
As in this is equals 5. When the feet of weldings are ready, how much bevel angle required? 37.5. And what will be the root gap?
1.5.
1.5 or 2 to 3 mm. Okay. This is the requirement.
No leakage, like perfect weld or not, and
So you will do NDT as per ITP. 10%, 15%, 100% if it is given, then you will do the PT 100%. If RT is 10%, then you will do the RT 10%. Hydro test. You know, if your design pressure is 10 bar, then what will be the test pressure?
1.5
Times 10,
times yes,
10,
times 5 minutes.
15 bar.
15 bar.
Okay. Thank you. At least to talk. He talk about the material.